What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. This is Mudassar, and you're watching the Knowledge Institute YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I will be going to teach you how you can create a high level of beautiful and professional advanced level logo designs. And after creating the logo designs, how you can sell them in the market and make money online by using your computer from your home. So without doing any late, let's get started. First of all, just open up any of your browser. So let me open Chrome browser. You can use any browser. After doing this, just type in here Canva. Okay, canva.com. So this is canva.com's website. After coming this here, here is a small survey. What will you be using Canva for? Personal use, anything. You can just select any option. Okay, maybe later. Okay, so here it has fetched automatically uh, account by our Google account. Okay, it is linked automatically with our Google account. Okay, so after this, just simple search here logo. Logo. Okay, so here are different types of circle logo, food logo, gaming logo. Okay, for example, I need a tech logo, so I will here type here tech logo. So make sure this option is selected on templates. Okay, we need only templates, not projects. Okay, so here we have hundreds of thousands of different type of minimal, advanced, professional, all types of logo designs here. All we do is to just select type. Okay, just select a logo and edit this. So let me choose one. Let me choose the logo. For example, for example, I like this. Okay, uh, or yeah, it's very simple. I like this. I like this logo. Okay. Okay. After selecting this, continue. Okay, customize this template. After clicking on that, here is the logo. It is totally customizable. For example, uh, my channel's name is let me show you. So this is my YouTube channel. The channel name is the Knowledge Institute. So let me paste the name here. Okay, the Knowledge Institute, and you can also resize it. Okay, from here. Okay, so here we are editing the logo. So in a few minutes, in the next few minutes, I will tell you that how you can sell these logos after creation. Okay. Okay, so we can delete unwanted things, no problem. So here it is. Our simple and beautiful logo has been designed. Okay, so let me just decrease the size a little bit more. Let me align it. Yeah, it is in center. Also, let me align this. Yeah, perfect. After doing this, Here see, here is also a lot of different templates. Okay, so here we have just ended the designing and down let's download this look. Okay, click on download. After doing that, simply click on download button. So here our design has been created and downloaded. Let me show you. Okay, no watermark, nothing. Okay, here in the logo design it is totally free. So delete. Okay, so what is this? Okay, these were some things. We can also delete these also, no problem. Okay, so now the logo is totally clear. Okay, now let me tell you how you can sell these things. Okay, okay, it is downloaded. Okay, for selling this, just come here in a new tab, type in here fiverr.com. Okay, in the fiverr.com, so here you can search logo design. See here, a lot of people, a lot of hundreds of thousands of people. Okay, about 58,000 people are creating logos and they are serving as a logo designer. Okay, so you can sell, you can create logo free of cost logos with Canva and sell here. Okay, so here it is. If you follow the strategies, if you if you read all things about Fiverr and Canva and follow the strategies, follow the videos, you will definitely earn. Thank you for watching.